There are only 7 zoos in the United States that have bonobos. They are a very important species, conservation-wise.
Bonobos are endangered in the wild and have been considered endangered since 1996. They're an important species for us to preserve, and the zoo decided to take on bonobos because they really needed more institutions to house them and to increase the numbers. We have 10 bonobos here at the Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens, and they are part of the Species Survival Plan. The Species Survival Plan is a group of professionals that work together to manage zoo-living bonobos to serve as a safety net to their wild counterpart. Bonobos are important to their ecosystem, and they are very close relatives to humans.
Having bonobos in zoos creates a very rare opportunity to study these animals intimately. They live in the Republic of Congo, and getting research in that area is very hard because it's all jungles and it's hard to even get into the country.
Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens acquired a very small group of bonobos back in '98, and that was a special opportunity because bonobos were very hard to come by. Bonobos in the wild are endangered for several reasons. The main threat to their survival is poaching. They're illegally hunted for their meat, which is called bush meat, and also sometimes captured for the illegal pet trade. Other threats to their survival include human population growth that alters the habitat destruction. The zoo contributes to in situ bonobo conservation through financial contributions to a project called the Bonobo and Congo Biodiversity Initiative. That project is working to learn more about wild bonobos, protect them, and also the other wildlife that shares their habitat. Bonobos have a very interesting social structure. The females are dominant over the males. That's different than chimpanzee cultures where there are dominance hierarchies among males and females. Female bonobos will immigrate out of their birth group and join another group to start breeding. Male bonobos stay with their mothers for their entire lifetime, and their social status hinges on that of their mothers. So the dominant female in the group protects her sons and also contributes to their social status in the group. In bonobo society, the females get the food first and all of the favored resources, and the males kind of have to wait and get what's left. Bonobos in nature live in what we call fission-fusion societies, and that means although they live in large communities, they break up into small subgroups, and so this makes their management very specialized, and we utilize the natural fission-fusion habits of the species to also manage them in captivity. And so often when you visit the zoo, you won't see all 10 bonobos together at the same time, but you'll see between 3 or 6, 7, 8 bonobos together at any given time. We do that to follow the natural history of the species and try to mimic what they would do in nature.
We give our primates enrichment every single day in some form or another. Usually try to change it up so that they're always interested in what they're playing with.
The Bonobo program at Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens is very successful, and we're very grateful to the community for supporting the program through contributions to the zoo and simply visiting and coming out to learn about bonobos. We're hoping that by having them here at our zoo, we can inspire people to care about them and get involved in their conservation.